Registration of collection sources and measuring points basic. This section describes how to register and change information on collection sources and measuring points. Input the collection source name and enter the IP address of EcoWeb 3 to connect to. By clicking the Collect Model Name button, communicate with EcoWeb 3 to acquire the model name. It shows a list of measuring point data collected from the collection source. Click the Register button to register the collection source and measuring points. When the collection source is EcoWeb 3, if the measuring type is power factor or operating status, it will be registered as analog value. Regarding a measuring point for power factor, set the measuring type to power factor, and for operating status, set that to operating status. Setup of data collection. Execute manual collection of data from the collection source. This function is used when a time period exists that automatic collection is not executed due to stop of the application or shutdown of the computer. Auto execution setting. On this window, you will set the on/off settings for the auto execute function. Click the auto execute settings button on the left menu of the window to enter the setting window. Creation of graphs. This chapter describes the graph window. From the New button, a graph will be created. Drag and drop the measuring point from the measuring point list to the item box to display in the graph. Up to 3 types of graph axes can be set. By clicking the hourly, daily, monthly, or yearly button on the top of the window, it is possible to switch the interval of graph data. Click the Save button and then select Save As.